Hello, my name is Stephen Pickrell, and I will be your tour guide today as you spend the next few minutes diving into the world of geometric constructions. Pause for dramatic effect. Many high school geometry teachers across our district have mentioned that they feel constructions are difficult to teach in that they are time-consuming and that students seem to have a hard time using the old-school compasses and rulers of yesteryear. They have expressed a need for more professional development at using the TI Inspire calculators as well. A class set of 30 was given to each teacher to use with their students, but no formal training has come with them. This training aims to accomplish both tasks. The learning objectives for this training are as follows. Given training videos and a TI Inspire calculator, teachers will apply their previous knowledge of geometric constructions to create segment and angle bisectors. Utilizing the same calculator, teachers will analyze a scenario for constructing right isosceles triangles and squares and use this information to perform these constructions. Given time and prior training, teachers will extend the original pre-created file by creating their own geometric construction using a composition of two or more formal geometric constructions to produce a complete mini lesson to use in their classrooms. I have included a pre-test at the beginning of this course to gauge the level of familiarity with teachers and what they have with constructions. This consists of questions I believe most geometry teachers would be able to easily answer, but it also includes questions about familiarity with the calculators themselves. Teachers do not have to answer these questions correctly. This is just a tool to compare to the post-test at the end to see what learning has occurred. From here we enter the first lesson. This lesson will show the teachers how to create their own file within the calculator and how to perform perpendicular and angle bisectors. The pre-recorded video demonstrates each of these pieces and allows for teachers to pause or rewind if necessary. Also, during the training, a Microsoft Teams conference will be open for any teacher who needs help so that they can hop on and ask questions to get immediate assistance. After the teachers have been able to complete the tasks outlined in the video, a brief knowledge check or formative feedback is inserted at the end of the lesson. I'll briefly just go through this just to show you some highlights of the video itself and how it's working. Here the teachers are asked to create a perpendicular bisector to the segment. That's just one illustration. Later on, here's the angle bisector piece. And there you go. Each of the other two lessons follows the same format. The second lesson beefs up the constructions as they are now tasked with creating a right isosceles triangle. In lesson 3, we take it one step further in constructing a square. These are complex constructions by hand that hopefully the teachers will see are significantly easier with the use of the calculators. When we get to the fourth and final lesson, teachers will be tasked with creating their own construction of a polygon or an object of their choice. I suggest a parallelogram to them to try out the features of parallelograms on the calculator, but it's entirely up to them. So here again you can see some of the second training with a right isosceles triangle. And the same for squares. And there's the finished product. And then the create your own lesson at the end. When finished, teachers will save and upload their files to their computers, then send them to me for grading. I'll just be looking over their files to make sure everything looks okay, but if any of them appear to have struggled, I can reach out via email and set something up to help them out. The ultimate goal is for them to have created a file in which they can then share with their students to show them how easy constructions can be as well. The training ends with a post-test, hopefully showing the growth of our teachers throughout the process, as well as a short survey at the end on the training itself.